Bulb was not working, had to replace the light bulb. Nice. Nice product. This is very nice product. And Amazon delivery also very good. Received product on the time. Excellent refrigerator. Cooling capacity are too good. A very good product. No issue. Good product. Product as described. Good value for money. Cooling and after sales service of LG is the best. Happy with the on-time delivery. I would highly recommend this product. Very spacious and good looking. Loved it. Nice product and good quality. Very good. This is very basic but cost-effective refrigerator. Only downside is that it does not have frost-free freezer, unlike many of current refrigerators. Superb product from LG. No noise, no heating, very good performance. Very good for 4 persons family. I like it, beautiful product. My family very happy see to this refrigerator. Nice product. Awesome service. Click link in description for more reviews.